Welcome students. Today's our topic globe, latitude and longitude. The second chapter of geography. So first of all, we just come to know about globe. Globe is a small model of earth. Means just like a earth. We can study easily through the globe. So this is the globe and this is the true model of earth, and we can understand easily about our earth because its design and all these things same as earth. And you are seeing the colors, that here blue colors, it show water body. As we know that in our earth more than 70% of our earth is water. So these blue colors, that is water body, means it contains ocean, seas. And we find here continents, these landmass which you are seeing in this, these landmass, as we know that we have seven continents in our earth. And so that you are seeing these landmass, and these landmass are continents and also shown in small that countries which are in the same continent. And this is the north pole of our earth, and the same way, and the bottom, that is south pole. On the top of this globe, that is north, and that bottom south pole. And it spins. Actually our earth moves on its own axis, but here we find this globe that will be moved with this nail. But in our earth there is no nail. Understand? So this is our globe, and it is very useful for us because it shows physical features of our earth, means landmass, ocean, seas. And as you are seeing in between this globe, a red line. Have you seen this? This red line, it is equator. Understand? So we just come to know about this globe, and in our chapter the second topic is latitude. So first of all we come to know about latitude. Latitudes are imaginary lines. Latitudes are imaginary lines, and these runs circulars, or we can say that it runs horizontally like this. Circular, that is north pole, and here is south pole. And you are seeing this letters tilted because our earth is 23 and half degree tilted, so that north and south, and these circular line, these are called latitudes. Okay, and this in the mid, you are seeing here 1 2 3 4 5. I mentioned here 5 parallel lines, and it show us in the mid, that is so equator. What is this? This is called equator, and it is in 0 degree. It is in 0 degree, and this equator makes our earth into two equal halves. Northern hemisphere upward to the north, that is northern hemisphere, and toward the south, that is called southern hemisphere. And you are seeing some imaginary lines, and that is called Tropic of Cancer. What is Tropic of Cancer? Actually in our latitudes, five important parallel lines, that in which we are telling you equator, second Tropic of Cancer, and it is in 23 and half degree north, because that is in north. Is it clear? And this one is Arctic Circle. What is this? Arctic Circle, and this is 66 and half degree in the same way northern side, southern side, that is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Capricorn, that is also 23 and half degrees south. And the last one here, this parallel line, circular line, we find here, that is Antarctic Circle. It is called Antarctic Circle, and it is in 66 and half degree south. So in this module we come to know about this equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Thank you.